Hello students, the next one from the sources of energy, that is the conventional sources of energy. As we have discussed in the earlier videos, the types and the types of the sources of energies. So out of these two types of sources of energy, today we are going to understand one type of sources of energy, and that is conventional sources of energies. Already we have discussed about these conventional sources of energy, the sources of energy which are exhaustible are called as the conventional sources of energy. They are also non-renewable sources of energy. And example, fossil fuels. Clear? So we'll discuss about the fossil fuels today. In this video, we'll discuss about the fossil fuels. What exactly the fossil fuels? The fuels which is formed because of the combustible substances formed from the dead animals. This fuels is formed from the dead animals as well as plants, isn't it? Which were buried deep under the surface of earth over a millions of years. That it is to be called the fossil fuels. तो भाई साहब ये fossil fuels बनता कहाँ से? How it is made up of, isn't it? Actually, this fossil fuel is made up of the dead animals as well as what the from the plants. This fossil fuel is made up of what? Dead animals and from the plants. So this is the source of plants as well as the dead animals, and which were buried deep under the earth or a million years ago. Then it was formed called the fossil fuels. तो हम जो भी fossil fuels आज यूज कर रहे हैं वो किसका है? वो खजीना किसका है? Clear? They are totally because of the dead animals as well as the plants which were buried deep under the earth, and there was the concept or the fuel was formed, is called the fossil fuels. But what exactly the fossil fuels? Isn't it? What are the types of the fossil fuels and what are the example of the fossil fuels we are having? Dear students, please remember that this is one type of the example is called the coal. The second one is what the petroleum. The third one is what the natural gas. Clear? So these are the very important. So in case of the natural gas, there is LPG as well as what? CNG. LPG as well as CNG. So these are called as the natural gases. You know the petroleum is what we can call as the diesel, we can call as the petrol, we can call as what? Kerosene, and all these type of oils are what it is to be called as the petroleum. And about the coal, now what exactly? When we discuss about this coal, petroleum, as well as about the natural gases, they all are called as the fossil fuels. Dear students, let me know one example. Let me know please whether the coal is going to be last long until and unless there is universe is present. Obviously no. This coal is going to be exhaustible. Why this coal is going to be exhaustible? Because the reason is very clear. We are using it very extensively in such a way that they are going to be finished. They are going to be exhausted. Similarly, the petroleum, that is the way we are using the petrol and diesel. ऐसा एक दिन नहीं जाता कि हम गाड़ी या कोई कुछ चलाए जो कि किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, पेट्रोल या डीजल के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. आप इमेजिन करो ये चीजें कब तक चलेगा ये? तो until and unless up to what? Whether this petroleum is going to be last long? They are not exhaustible or they are exhaustible. Obviously, this petrol is what going to be exhaust. Then if they are going to be exhaust, so what is the sources of energy? Isn't it the way we used to run the bikes and the scooters and the cars, trains and all the things? That is what the reason the people are extensively working, they are taking the painstaking, isn't it? They are doing very hard work to find out the different sources of energy, because we know 50 years, 100 years, 200 years, 500 years, obviously these sources of energy are going to be exhausted. Please just think about it. Isn't it? Right now, whatever the electricity that we are getting is due to because of the coal. The petroleum, everything that we see surrounding us, they are totally 100%, not 200% depends upon the petroleum. And natural gases also are depend upon. What will happen if they are going to be exhausted? Just imagine the world without these sources of energy. That is the reason we need to be finding out some another sources of energy. Let us discuss later on, but this is what very important. That is what the reason they are called the word fossil fuels. Isn't it? Coal can be, we can take the coals from the mines, and you know that the petroleum is what obviously they are buried deep under the earth. There are so many petroleum wells, and isn't it? There are so many things are there to get this petroleum, and about what the natural gases. So all these things are which is to be called as the fossil fuels. We all know what are the advantages कि हम इसके ऊपर हम पूरा डिपेंड करते हैं. लेकिन इसके बारे में सोचेंगे कि व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ दिस व्हाट फॉसिल फ्यूल्स. So one of the very important disadvantages of the fossil fuels is, dear sir, that they are going to be pollutes our environment. What they are doing, they are completely polluting, they are completely pollutes our environment. Why they are pollutes? After burning of these fossil fuels, what they gives rise? They gives rise to a smoke, and that is what the reason. That is what the reason the environment is going to be polluted. What is the answer for that? You know that right now you can see there are so many in metro cities. There is what it is to be called in the there is a pollution environment. What it is to be called. They are just at the alarming rate. This pollution is going to be increased, isn't it? The people are finding out the solutions to decrease this pollution. Clear? Even though this is a very important, and right now this is one of the very important tasks we are having in front of us. So we need to be think on that. This how the environment can be saved. Clear? Then the next disadvantages is what they are giving us the gases like what here carbon dioxide. What are the type of gases they are releasing after burning of the fossil fuels? They releases the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. They all are harmful gases. They are releasing. They are what it is to be called as released in the environment. That is what the reason environment becomes polluted completely. Clear? Isn't it? So that is really, if you wanted to breathe clean air, we need to be think about it, and we need to be reduce such type of gases which are going to be increases in alarming rate in the environment. Why they are increases? Because sir, we are using the petrol, we are using the coal. After burning the coal, after burning the petrol, after burning these natural gases, what they are doing, they are releasing these gases which are 100% hazardous. They are harmful. So we need to be find out the alternate sources of energy. So this has to be think. This is one of the second disadvantages of this what it is to be called the fossil fuels. And what can say? What can say about this global warming? Isn't it? I'm not here to tell you what exactly the global warming, but obviously, sir, this has to be remembered that due to because of this releasing of these gases in the environment, in the alarming rate, the temperature goes on increases, and this temperature which increases over the temperature of the earth is increases, and which we are going to be called as the global warming. अगर हमने इसको अभी रोका नहीं तो शायद पता नहीं कि आगे जाकर क्या हो सकता है इस ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की वजह से. Clear? So we need to be think about it that the global warming is also another disadvantage due to because of this burning of the fossil fuels. Clear? हमें आनंद लग रहा है, हम गाड़ी चला रहे हैं बरोबर, लेकिन क्या हो रहा है? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हो रहा है ना. So that has to be think. And another thing is that obviously, sir, this is what the very important that is called the acid rain. Clear? Due to because of this burning and all this whatever the type of the gases which are present in the environment, they are leads to the acid rain, which is extensively going to be affects our water and the soil. Clear? That is how they are going to be. They are obviously certainly they are going to be effects on the fertilization. So all these things, these are the disadvantages of this fossil fuel. So remember that. जब कभी भी अगर आपको लगता हो कि हमें फॉसिल फ्यूल्स बर्न करने से अगर आपके पास कोई सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, अल्टरनेट सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी है, तो यू जस्ट गो फॉर इट, यू जस्ट प्रेफर दैट सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. क्लियर बेटा? होप यू विल डू दैट.